My name's Nicola. I'm a floral designer and artist based in York, and we are at Oakwell Hall today, and we are doing a Mother's Day installation with these beautiful handmade metal peonies. And this is all in aid of the Kirkwood Hospice, where you can buy your own peony to celebrate your mum, a loved one, a mother figure, and we're creating an installation for everyone to come and enjoy and celebrate that relationship.
I'm Rachel, I'm the events manager for the Kirkwood. We're here today at Oakwell Hall and we're creating our brand new installation, Mother's Day in Bloom, which you can see has been brought to life right behind me. It's a brand new fundraising initiative and it's to celebrate, honour all mother figures who've helped to shape us and to help raise us. So as part of our installation there'll be 1,000 peonies, and in the centre of the installation there's going to be a Celtic motherhood figure. This symbolises the everlasting connection and bond between mother and child. We love the symbology of that and sort of how appropriate that was and sort of quite fitting in keeping with the actual campaign.
My name is Helen Graham and I'm the site manager here at Oakwell Hall. The Kirkwood is an organisation we've been wanting to work with for some time. We've been working with the events team on coming up with what the right event would be for them and for us, and met with Rachel and Abby a number of months ago, and they brought this idea to us and this seemed like a perfect fit for us. So it's going to really complement the garden, especially at this time of year when everything is just starting to come out into bloom.
These are peony flowers. They're all handcrafted. They're made out of metal and they're all individually hand painted as well. So you get the depth of colour, as you can see here, and it makes them all individually unique and very special. And in addition to the flowers, everyone can make a personalised handwritten dedication, so using these markers, and these will be planted in front of the flower, and that helps you identify your specific flower, and you can use that as a keepsake afterwards.